Everybody, hi. Today I will read to you a text about the sky. Okay, listen to me carefully. Go outside and look up. What can you see? You can see the sky. The sky is above you. Look at the sky. Is it day or night? What can you see in the sky? Look at the sky in the day. What color is it? Can you see clouds? When it is sunny, the sky is blue. Clouds are white or gray. Sometimes you can see birds and planes. They fly in the sky. Sometimes when it is sunny and rainy, you can see a rainbow in the sky. A spacecraft goes up into the sky, then it goes into space. Space is dark and very big. Thank you very much.